Buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into a world where metal meets destruction, power meets precision, and technology meets sheer mechanical insanity. If you thought your blender was cool, wait till you see these colossal machines in action. From car-shredding beasts to stone-slicing monsters, we got it all. So let's fire up those engines and get ready to witness some of the most incredible and dangerous machines the world has to offer. Number 9. Arges, the ultimate car shredder. First up, we have a machine that takes recycling to a whole new level. Ever wondered what happens to old, rusted cars that have reached the end of their lives? Enter the Arges Mobile Shredder, a behemoth of destruction that chews up vehicles like they're made of paper. This massive machine doesn't just break cars, it obliterates them, turning them into bite-sized chunks of metal and plastic that are later repurposed. The best part: watching it work is weirdly satisfying. If Azure had a mechanical cousin, this would be it. It's oddly therapeutic to see a full-sized car go in and a neat pile of recyclable debris come out. Mother Nature would be proud. Number 8. Irregular Edge, demolition with precision. Demolishing buildings is an art, and irregular edge is Picasso with a wrecking claw. Not all buildings crumble with a single push. Some require meticulous deconstruction. That's where this giant machine comes in. Instead of blowing things up like an action movie, though that would be cool, this machine uses enormous metal claws to rip apart reinforced concrete structures piece by piece. It's like watching a prehistoric dinosaur feast on its prey, only this dinosaur is made of steel and has a hunger for destruction. For those who love watching things get torn apart, but prefer a bit of finesse, this machine is a masterpiece of mechanical engineering. Number 7. Herd equipment, the soil slicer. Next on our list is something a little less destructive but equally fascinating. Meet the herd equipment tilling machine, a powerhouse designed to slice, dice, and churn soil like a professional chef preparing a gourmet meal. This agricultural marvel is tied behind a tractor and features thin, pizza cutter-like wheels that dig into the earth, turning over nutrient-rich soil. Why does this matter? Because good soil means good crops, and good crops mean more food. So, in a way, this machine is secretly a superhero, ensuring that the world keeps eating. Not all heroes wear capes. Some get covered in mud. Number 6. Flegel Agro Center, the ultimate hedge trimmer. Forget your handheld garden shears, this is hedge trimming on steroids. Imagine a giant, multi-bladed saw mounted on a tractor, tearing through overgrown trees and shrubs like a hot knife through butter. This beast from Flegel Agro Center is designed to keep roads and pathways clear by slicing through any vegetation that dares to stand in its way. The adjustable arm moves along the roadside, mercilessly cutting down anything in its path. It's the kind of tool that makes you wish you had an overgrown jungle in your backyard just for an excuse to use it. With its powerful blades, it takes on large branches effortlessly, clearing highways, fields, and landscapes in record time. Its robust design ensures that even the toughest foliage stands no chance. Perfect for municipalities or anyone with large outdoor spaces, this powerhouse will have your property looking pristine in no time. Number 5. BTEC, the rock saw of doom. Up next is something straight out of a sci-fi movie, a massive saw that cuts through stone and concrete like a champion. The BTEC rock cutting saw is attached to an excavator and can slice through solid foundations, making it essential for construction and demolition projects. This isn't just a tool, it's a statement. It doesn't ask, "Can I cut through this?" It demands to. If the Terminator were a machine, it would be this one. Watching it in action is mesmerizing as it grinds through stone, leaving behind a perfect cut, ready for whatever construction plans lie ahead. The precision and power behind this machine are jaw-dropping, as it effortlessly tackles even the hardest materials. Whether you're demolishing old structures or preparing for new ones, this saw cuts through obstacles like they're made of paper. Watching it in action gives you a glimpse into the future of heavy-duty machinery. Number 4. Next Wrencher, the groundbreaker. Have you ever seen a machine dig a trench with the precision of a surgeon? Meet Next Trencher, the ultimate underground engineer. This machine is attached to a specialized tractor and comes with a giant rotating belt that functions like a chainsaw, but instead of cutting trees, it slices through the ground. It's designed for digging deep trenches for underground pipelines and infrastructure, carving out soil with remarkable accuracy. Watching it work is like seeing a massive zipper being unfastened from the earth. It's neat, it's efficient, and it makes you wonder why humans ever use shovels. Next Trencher's design allows it to cut through rocks, clay, and even frozen ground with ease, ensuring a flawless trench every time. Its precision not only saves time, but also reduces the amount of manual labor required, making it an invaluable tool for construction teams. Whether it's laying down cables, pipes, or irrigation systems, the Next Trencher ensures that the job gets done right. Number 3. Kronos Forestry, the king of lawnmowers. We've all struggled with mowing the lawn at some point. Now imagine a lawnmower so powerful it can cut down small trees. That's exactly what the Kronos Forestry machine does. Attached to a tractor, this monstrous mower doesn't just trim grass, it obliterates everything in its path, including stubborn bushes and thick shrubs. If your backyard is starting to resemble a jungle, this machine will tame it in seconds. Who needs a gardener when you have a mechanical beast like this? Kronos Forestry's power isn't limited to just grass and shrubs. Its robust blades can take on even the toughest small trees, making it a go-to for clearing dense underbrush. With its exceptional maneuverability, it can tackle areas too difficult for traditional machines, transforming overgrown landscapes into neatly trimmed plots in no time. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to reclaim their land from nature's grasp. Number 2. Chemrock, the wall cutter. What if you could cut through solid rock as easily as slicing a cake? That's exactly what Chemrock's cutter attachment does. Mounted on an excavator, this device turns stone walls into Swiss cheese with the precision of a master craftsman. It's used for creating structural supports, embedding reinforcements, or even placing explosives for controlled demolition. Think of it as the world's most intense DIY project. Just imagine the kind of Halloween decorations you could carve with this thing. With its powerful performance and cutting-edge design, it's changing the way construction teams approach tough terrain. Whether it's for urban infrastructure or mining, the Chemrock cutter delivers the job with incredible efficiency. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, able to handle various types of rock and geological conditions without breaking a sweat. Number 1. Aardvark Engineering, the farm cleaner. After the harvest is done, what remains? A mess. That's where Aardvark Engineering's agricultural trash collection machine steps in. This South African masterpiece cleans up the land by removing leftover stems, roots, and debris, ensuring the soil is fresh and ready for the next planting cycle. It's like a vacuum cleaner for the farm, except instead of dust and crumbs, it sucks up organic waste. Without it, farmers would have to deal with a tangled mess of plant remains, which isn't fun. So, if plants had an arch nemesis, this machine would be it. By efficiently clearing the land, it helps improve soil quality and boosts future crop yields. With its smart design, the machine can even navigate rough terrains, making it the farmer's best friend after the harvest. And it's not just about clearing debris, it's about making the earth ready to thrive again. And that's a wrap on the world's biggest excavators. If you're as amazed as we are by these giant machines, don't forget to hit that like button before it gets crushed under the weight of all this power. Subscribe for more epic content because, let's face it, we've only scratched the surface of these mighty machines. Until next time, keep digging into those mysteries. Just don't get buried under all the fun.